In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a payment plan on HoneyBook using Milestones. Whether you're a seasoned HoneyBook user or just getting started, this guide will walk you through the process of setting up payment plans so your clients can pay in manageable installments. Let's dive right in. First, you need to open the project you want to work on. Navigate over to your projects section on HoneyBook. Once there, find and select your client's specific project. It's important that this project is already set up with all the relevant details so that you know exactly what needs to be included in the payment plan. The next step is to create a recurring invoice. To begin with, click on Create File and you'll see the option for Recurring Invoice. Selecting this will allow you to manage your billing processes effectively, ensuring that payments can be collected at regular intervals as agreed upon with your client. Now, you'll want to add the services or packages that your client will be paying for. Be sure to list everything comprehensively, such as photography packages, add-ons, or any other services you're offering. This clarity is crucial as it ensures both you and your client are on the same page regarding what's included in the agreement. Following this, it's time to set up payment installments, or what HoneyBook refers to as milestones. You can add a new milestone by clicking on plus add payment. For each milestone you create, you'll need to specify a few key details. Start by entering the amount that your client needs to pay for each installment. Then, set the due date by which this payment needs to be made. If you'd like to provide more context for these payments, you can add an optional description such as deposit, second payment, or final payment. These descriptions help in communicating what each payment represents, keeping everything organized and transparent. Finally, you'll be ready to send the invoice to your client. Click on the send button and your client will be able to receive, review, sign, and pay each installment online. This feature makes it easy and convenient for both you and your clients to manage payments, ensuring timely transactions and a more streamlined workflow. And there you have it, a complete guide to building a payment plan using milestones on HoneyBook. Through these simple steps, you can easily create detailed and client-friendly payment plans that facilitate smooth financial interactions. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching, and happy billing.